How to contact AudioMark support for copyright issues. So if you have any issues with like a copyright issue with on AudioMark, or you want to communicate with the support team or customer service of AudioMark, how you get to speak with them. First of all, you click on library, you click on the top right corner, the gear button, you click on that. So you scroll down, you scroll. Then you're going to click on help. When you click on help, it's going to take you to your browser where you can communicate. You see an email of AudioMark, then you can communicate with them and explain challenges, copyright issues with them. So just click on the help there and then to take you to the site, and you can get contact with AudioMark. So this is the site. Fill up the articles and then